Okay, trail is moving up a draw now, moving up a little side creek, going uphill, and I don't know where I'm going. That's part of the excitement. I know I might have to backtrack, or I'm hoping maybe I'll somehow be back in the park. I'm not sure. Nice little knoll up there with some pines. Looks pretty cool up ahead. I'm not sure where. I think I'm heading over there. We'll see. A couple switchbacks here going up this little hill. Wonder where we're going. Changing direction. Whenever you get to two trailblazers, campers, that means it's a change of direction. It goes back down there, around there, it follows the creek. So I'm done. Put a fork in me, I gotta backtrack. This has been a good exploration, but a good explorer knows don't be afraid or ashamed to backtrack if you're not looping around. That's the way out, the way you came in. And this was a beautiful trip. I'm half tempted to go on top of that hill there and see if I can see anything in that pine forest. I think I'm going to check that out real quick. And then I can come bushwhack right back down to this area and my trail. You got to be careful, because this is where it can easily go wrong. But I mean, this is no problem here. Nice little headwater erosion here. This is the top of a stream. It's called headwater erosion. Right as it transitions into stream from other stream. I know that was lucid. Anyway, let's see what's up here. Okay, I'm in the pine forest. All I see is nature everywhere. But that's a big field in front of me. Oh, and here's a road. Okay, I guess I'm in the park. Okay, well, I'm somewhere. I couldn't tell you where. Oh well, I'll keep hiking. Now let's see, if I have to go back the way I came, I'll plunge in right at the pine forest, right down to the trail, follow it out under the highway, back to the course. Later, be a llama. Be a llama, baby. Later.